Hi guys, this is my first YouTube video, so welcome. I just thought I'd show you a little junk journal that I made for my friend Paul. I tried not to girly it up too much, but yeah, there's a little bit of girly in there. So all my books are made from recycled products. I don't actually buy craft supplies unless it's from a charity op shop or it's something like, you know, glues and tools and paint stuff, tapes, stuff like that. So I'll just take the dangle off so it doesn't jingle the whole flip through. The dangle is just a bulb pin with a handmade bead. I think this was an old earring. And a key from a luggage set. And the closure is just a simple coffee dyed piece of cotton, which I think I left out in the sun too much and it kind of got a bit nuked. But I kind of like that really grungy look. So the cover is just an embellishment that my daughter gave me one Christmas. She gave me a pack of little wooden pieces, some book page and some crochet trim. She's got two little signatures, and that's just some napkin decoupaged on the back. So the inside and the back covers, they're just magazine cutouts from a stamp collector's journal. My dad has collected stamps his whole life, and he gives me all the auction catalogues and stuff like that. So it's a Harry Potter card. Just a map, a little envelope out of that auction catalogue. My look is I really like really junky. I'm not I don't do pretty journals, I suppose. I like them scrappy, junky. It's just a bit of actually this was a bookend out of an old book that it had really pretty paper, which I use for something else. That's just a scrap. I don't know what he'll use this book for because it's so little, and but I suppose it's just cute sitting on a shelf. I really love the look, but oh, that's a cheesy cheesy saying from somewhere. I don't know where. So these papers are coffee dyed scraps of paper. They were my daughter's old university notes. I think they were printed on just a regular home printer, so when they're coffee dyed they go a bit, the ink gets all smeary. Gives it actually a really nice look. That's one of them as well. Okay, Paul loves chocolate, so I had to put the put a chocolate wrapper in there for him. It's a little scrap of coffee dyed paper. He also likes airships. Actually, this is my second filming this video. The last one I said spaceship and then I thought, okay, I'll just you know, insert some text to say oops, airship. But then my cat came in meowing anyway, so I just thought I'd better refilm. So this whole book is basically scraps, mostly stuff off my desk. I have this, okay, I'll show you. I have this box full of, I don't know, just rubbish. Anything goes in it on my desk. And so basically his whole little book was kind of out of that scrap rubbish box. Sorry, Paul. It's just a bit of fabric, and I've put a little pin there with a flower bead. Girly it up a little for him. That's actually some cardboard from a box. You know when you have a cardboard box and you peel the top layer of the cardboard off? That's the paper on top. He also likes ships. So I've put a little pocket. It's just a magazine image. And a little envelope I made. A little love heart. It's so cute. I love that little envelope. That's the end of the first signature. This is the second signature. That's just a little scrap of book page. You can write on the other side though. Oh, this is if you live in Australia, you probably recognise this. This is deli paper from Coles supermarket. So they usually just wrap your cold meats or olives or cheeses or whatever you get from the deli in plastic, and then deli paper. But he loves food, so I thought it was appropriate. Just a little top corner tuck spot with another little envelope. It's just some scrap fabric and lace and twine. So you won't see any pretty scrapbooking paper or anything like that in my journals, unless I find some in an op shop or someone gives it to me as a birthday or Christmas present or something. But most of my family know I don't like mass produced. I think there's enough stuff out there in the world already without having to buy new papers. Okay, Paul really loves pizza. He could eat pizza every day, so I had to put in there a pizza menu. So that just opens up, well, part of the pizza menu. And I've put the center strings, made a little pizza charm and a heart because he loves pizza. That was just peeled off the top of the pizza box. And same with those two. It's just a little paper. Sorry, it's so hard to handle. It's so little. I don't know how his great big hands are going to turn the pages. This was Chinese music paper. It's really pretty. It's just a little collage of teeny tiny scraps of fabric and a little book with some fabric. It's all scrappy paper. It's really cute. And that's a little book. Oh, this is just a bit of fabric cut off one of my grandmother's old fabric belts. It's got all cute little flowers. Oh, I just signed that for him. I made this last year. I still haven't sent it to him. Sorry, Paul. I will soon. And that's it. Okay, and that's all.